Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Monster Breakout Index indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Monster Breakout Index indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 835 indicators, with 341 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 43 of the winning indicators. This one will be the 44th, with 12 of them being winners. The best one able to achieve a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Monster Breakout Index indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And in the original testing, this was able to do over the 10 trades within the 1 year's time. And so we did leave it on the daily time frame, and we kept the stop and take profit, the default, the normal stop and take profit. And so the setup on this is relatively easy. We didn't make any visual changes in this particular case to the indicator. We just left it 100% the way it is. In the original testing, what we did was we looked for obviously the green or the red bars here. And so when we would get a green bar, that would be a signal to go long. When we got a red bar, that would be a signal to then go short. We did use this one as a kind of continuation indicator, if you will. And so, for example, let's look right here. So you can see that we pick up a nice big green bar right there. I guess they're all the same size, so it doesn't really matter, but we picked up a green bar right there. And this would have been our entry right here. We get a push to the upside. We're looking for 60 pips for our take profit, which we would have gotten here on that candle, I believe. Yep, we would have gotten on this candle right here. And so as this candle closes, we have another green bar, which means that we would pick up then another signal to the long side. And so that would be another signal right there. And let's see, measure up there. We haven't quite hit the 60 pips right there. We have a 90 pip stop. So we'll pull it back here. Didn't hit our stop. We then continue to push back to the upside here. And it looks like we are going to hit our take profit here on this candle right here. And then considering how this candle right here has another green bar at the close, that means that would be another entry there. Another entry, we push up here. We do not get the take profit on this candle, but we get it right here on this candle. And so we would have had 3 wins there. And then this one, obviously, price action immediately rolls over and pushes to the downside. And so that one would have gotten us stopped out. And then the same is true on the other side here. So we then pick up our first red bar right there. We get a short signal on that red bar, obviously, and we get a nice push to the downside. We hit our take profit here on this candle, so that would have been a winning trade right there. We have another red bar there on the monster breakout, so this would be another trade right there, another signal. Get a pullback here on that green candle. It does not hit our stop. Our stop is 90 pips. And so we get a pullback and then a push back to the downside. We don't quite get to our take profit once again as it pushes down, comes back up, retests this kind of area right here, and then pushes back to the downside right here. And we would have gotten to our take profit here on that candle. And then in this case, we had another red bar as we close out that one, giving us another signal to the downside. We again get a push, and it looks like we're going to hit our take profit here on this one. And another red bar means that that would be another entry to the downside. And so you see just right here in this small little area, we have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 winning trades with 1 losing trade. And so it just kind of trails along on these continuation type patterns, taking trades, getting take profit, jumping in another trade, taking profit, and so on, just kind of eating it up as it goes along, really riding out and maximizing the most of the trend in either direction. So that's how we tested it in the original video. That's how we tested it again here on this one in the advanced testing. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, and we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in that testing. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what it was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It's free to join. When most of the channels here are free, you're welcome to join and take part of in the conversations in most of these channels. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our Patreon members to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, one of our members here, Sasquatch, is an awesome Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, areas that he's looking to take trades, areas that he has taken trades. He'll sometimes draw out channels or flag patterns. A lot of great market analysis, chart analysis that he puts out for everyone to see, like I said, on a regular basis. Some of our other members here, like Lion Trader, does an awesome job of posting some of his trades that he is taking, kind of what he was looking at during these areas when he was looking to take the trades, and just giving general advice, helping everybody out. One of our newest admins here is Mike from Upright Trading. He's doing a great job of helping everybody out, explaining his own personal indicators that he has developed. He's got quite a few, different indicators. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, but all of them are really awesome indicators. And he really goes above and beyond, out of his way to help everybody out to understand how his indicators work and the strategies that he has developed around them. He's also working on building some new indicators or adaptations of different pieces to the indicators that he has now. So he's constantly just making tweaks and adding and changing and improving indicators in general. Really, really great stuff. Everybody's helping everybody out in general, supporting everybody and helping everybody grow as traders. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our indicator here. All right, so in the advanced testing, we did 50 trades altogether, like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 37 winning trades. We got 13 losing trades, putting us at a 74% win rate. All in all, that is a really solid win rate as far as the advanced testing goes. This indicator is really cool, like I said, in the fact that it does just kind of keep stepping trades as it goes, and so it really allows you to kind of maximize again the full potential of a trend in either direction. As it's moving, it just keeps nabbing profits and taking another position, nabbing profits, taking another position, and so on. Just keeps eating away a little bit at a time, but all in all, just very successful at doing that, and just kind of riding out those trends as long as it possibly can, getting in as many trades as it can. And so, like I said, a very cool indicator. I've always liked this one. It continues to kind of pop up on my list whenever I'm playing around with indicators, and so I think it is a really decent indicator and should be definitely something you play around with and see if it is something that you can utilize and be successful with. So all right, that's it for this one. It is going to stay on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.